So this is my 2005 Cadillac STS, and here's the damage. It was hit by a deer. So the fog light, signal light, I have to take it off. Now it's hanging. Fender is still in bad shape. Then you got the headlight. Headlight got pushed in. I think it has the. It got the xenon. Broken. It's messed up. Fender pretty much messed up. Open up that one. Interior is still pretty good. Owner said that everything's still working except for the remote start. And got the North Star V8, which is what I wanted. Let's see the engine. Damage is not that bad. Yep. I'm not so sure if I would need a new air filter box for this. But yep. So this is one that pushed in. Okay. So I need to hammer this one. Not bad. Check the oil. Yeah, freshly changed oil. For this. Yeah, so this is the major problem here. Might have to pull this up. You have to remove the headlight to see the whole damage. Okay. So here's the cosmetic. Headlight is pretty much broken. So we got an HID ballast in here. I think it's hard. It's okay here inside. I don't know if the valves are still okay. But yep. This thing's messed up. So I found this one too. I don't know where is this going. Right here. Then we got some. Probably I don't know what line is this, but it's supposed to be connected somewhere. And there's the computer. Luckily, it got spared from the carnage. And didn't take this. It's fine. I don't need to buy a new one. To figure out where is this going. I need to figure out where this goes to. Can't see any connector over here. Here. This one got pushed in, so I have to pull these out, pull these up outwards. Okay. Got the headlight out and the fender, actually the fender out, headlights, fog lights, signal lights. And yeah, the only damage is over here. Yep. This one. So in order to remove the fender, you got bolt in here, another one here, this one, and this one just slides out. You just need to loosen it. And then I just cut this one over here. I don't want to jack it up, but it's kind of weather. Then I took out the inner fender. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this out, push this in, and then align this one. Yeah, I don't think it's a bad one.